Nabila, and today I'm doing some street interview with many people about university life, and I'll be asking many people about their experience. Let's see what they have to say. And now I want to ask you something. What is your major and why did you choose it?
My major is Indonesian language. I choose this major because I'm interested in language and writing.
Oh, okay. And how?
Hello everyone, my name is Dava Ananda and I'm class 4B.
Hello everyone, my name is Gia Sazhar and I'm from 6th semester of PBI A class.
My name is Zahra Apriliana Indah.
Okay, I want to ask you something about what is the biggest challenge in university life?
I faced the biggest challenge is when I was in the first semester. The biggest challenge is first thing first. I joined this major. Is I not have the basic skill about English, so I have difficulties like I don't understand what the lecturer say, and also I don't understand what the teacher give to us, give to as a student. So yeah, I had the difficulties understand the material.
Okay, and if I say what is the difficult, do you want to tell us about that?
The difficult is the material for I understand, for I study. Like I really hard understand the material, the grammar material. In the first semester, the course name is functional English grammar. It's very hard for me because in English education, the functional English grammar is in the first semester. Meanwhile, in the English literature, Sastra English, the functional English grammar in the fifth semester. So the gap is the high. The gap is the big between English education and the English literature. So I have the difficulties for understanding the material.
Okay, I would like to ask you something about what is the biggest challenging in university life?
First thing first would be this major, the major I think, because when the first semester, I feel I want to join to this major, but time by time I fall in love with this major and I try to handle or try to understand this major. And the second is culture shock. Why culture shock? As we know, in this university, we meet with some or various culture that sometimes I but sometimes we ever misunderstand.
Okay, I want to ask you something about what is the biggest challenge in university life?
Okay, my biggest challenge in university life generally is maintaining my score or my IPK, because since now I'm in the 6th semester and actually I got problem in the 4th semester because it's kind of difficult subject like statistics, because I don't like math, so that's why I choose English education because I don't like math. But since in statistics we still have to count something, so maintaining my score or my IPK is kind of difficult for me, because in the first semester my IPK is kind of grade like 3.9, but in the first semester it's kind of low, like 3.5. But in the fifth semester, fortunately my grade is kind of high grade, like 3.8. So that's things my difficulties in my campus life, maintaining my grade.
I think you're a smart person.
Not like that. Maintaining grade is not something to the lecturer or maybe answer something like not generally smart.
Can you recommend something to us as a new student we must try?
Maybe I will give your what is that? What is the question?
Something recommended.
Recommendation. I think you must to go to Aljabar first because Aljabar is the second home for WIN students. So if you are not going to Aljabar, you are not WIN student. So you must to going to Aljabar.
The next place?
I think the last place is maybe Warmindo Payu because Warmindo Payu is our home, our base camp for PBI, right? For English education. So when you come to Warmindo Payu, you will find English education students.
Okay. Because I know about you is the active member of SAID. I want to ask you about how can you manage your time between study and organization?
Manage my time between academic and also organization. You need to choose the priority of yourself. Like maybe I'm in the organization become the head division, but also in that day I have the deadline of the task or assignment that I need to do. Maybe I have to choose to finishing my assignment first because academic is number one for me because that's why I join the university. And after that, I need to become the finishing my things in the organization. So that's how I balancing my academic and also my academic life to choose my career.
As I know you is a protocol member, right?
Yes.
I want to know about how do you manage your time between study in your major and organization?
Make a schedule, activity, and even for each time, and make a to-do list and deadline list.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Continue to the next question. What tips should you give to a new student?
To student, I think maybe do what you want to do because there is no opportunity in the second times. If you have the ability to influence the organization or to join the organization, you can try it because when you in the high semester, I think you can to manage the time, and then in the first semester or the new student,